Welcome to clickmyproject.com. This is our project title, Institute Board Organization. Let's see our project abstract. The Institute Board Organization is provide a system which manages records of students and staff information. Example, attendance and exam results. Students calculation of mark, which is very huge task. This automation system will be consume the less time storing a records when compared to manual or paperwork. The unique register number is given that particular student identification. These allocate details sent through the staff own mail ID for intimate hall details, and student can easily find out exam results by user site. The system also maintains attendance details of the particular student. Institute board authority have only rights for add a student, add a staff details, manage attendance and result publish and allocate a hall details for a particular staff. Let's see our project data flow diagram. They have three models: admin, student and faculty. Now we see the admin process. In the admin process, institute authority only allowed to add a student, then give a credential to student for access our site, and also staff to our site. Admin have only rights for update and exam details and monitor the student results details. Admin only allocate the class timetable details to every staff. These class timetable details sent to individual staff own email ID. The allocate of staff class timetable period with time duration. So staff easily can identify which period we have allocated. Admin only have a rights for updated exam results for a with individual student with status. Now we see the student process page. Students initially log in with his or her own username and also password and with a register number. This information is sent from admin. The credential get from admin. The exam result and also his or her own profile. Student easy to access and view a result by our system without any conflicts. Student have a only right for view a exam result and profile like college exam portal. Authorized students only allowed to view his or her own result. Let's see the faculty process. In the faculty initially log in with his or her own username and also password and also staff ID. Staff can view his or her own class timetable by two ways. Staff can view the class timetable in staff own mail ID and also staff processing area. Staff can easily access and view a class timetable by use system without any conflicts. Authorized staff only allowed to view his or her own class timetable. Staff can easily to find out class table and contains the information of individual period with time duration for a complete period. All information provided by admin, so staff can easily to view the and will attend a mentioned hall without fail. Let's see our project demo. This is our home page of our project. Now we see the admin process. Admin initially put his own username and also password. If suppose he or she put a wrong password, when show the invalid username or password. If he or she put a correct username and also password, when login into admin process page. Admin have a rights for add student, result manage and staff management. Now see the add student process. Here click the add student process. Now here show the student adding page. Here initially adding a demo, and here that's something the registration number and type of class BSc, B, MSc, ME, BSca or MC anything. Here we click and we put a gender type and also date of birth. Then click a mobile number and mail ID. Here suppose admin put a wrong invalid mobile number, suppose that is less than 10 digit. When shows the enter a correct mobile number validation. Then suppose the mail ID is invalid, when show the invalid mail ID. Then admin add a result. Here admin must put a registration number and class and semester type and subject code and marks details. And status and total period of attend for a particular subject, total period and attend for a particular subject. Finally click a result publish button, then shows the result published successfully. Now here the admin result published successfully. Then admin have a right for add a staff into our system. Here same here, add the staff details and finally click the add staff button, then shows the staff added successfully message. And then allocate all details. I click the allocate all details and shows here. Here must change adding staff details. Here put a staff name, staff ID, date of birth, email ID and period wise, period 1 to 8. And finally click here allocate all. When these details are sent to staff by individual mail ID, and also staff can view his timetable, his staff process page by using separated unique staff ID, username and also password. Then finally click here allocate all button and shows here allocate successfully message. Now the staff allocates all the allocated successfully message will show. Then if you want to generate a PDF format, when click a generate timetable, when he shows the timetable details of particular staff, in this it contains the allocated date and period wise all allocation. This all the admin process. Finally click logout button, then it's redirected to index page. Then we will see the student process. Here you show the student login button. If you click the student login button, now see the login page. Here student must put a correct registration number and username and also password. Suppose invalid username put here, when shows the invalid username or password message. Now you enter a correct mail register number and username and also password and click the login button. Now see the result. It contains the register number, class wise, subject code, attend period, total number of marks, the semester wise, and status pass or fail. And also he or she view his own profile, like um, online exam portal. Click the view profile and shows the profile details. And finally, log out. Click this logout button and then redirect into login page. Similarly, staff dashboard. Here, staff put here invalid username and also password, and click final. Click shows that invalid username or password. You must put here correct email ID, username, and finally click here login button and shows the all details with particular date. Here it shows that allocate period and period wise and period time, and also it shows the year for which it easily to staff can find out the which period on the particular day, and also time duration for a particular session period. Thank you for watching our video.